Hey guys, here's a quick video to show you how to access your Plabable Bookmark exam. So begin by logging into your Plabable account. And once you're here, select Resources and then Bookmark. Here you should see your current Bookmark exam. This is an example with the October Bookmark. However, the same principle applies. You should have these four options here and begin by printing the blank answer sheet. If you don't have access to a printer, not to worry, use a blank piece of paper to note down your answers. And once you've set your timer to 3 hours, start your exam by clicking on View Bookmark. So it should look something like this, and use this button here to flick through the pages. And once you're finished, go back, check your answers here, and for more explanations, this option here. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop us an email at course@plabable.com, and good luck for the exam day.